Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a logo in Canva. And here's how it is done. Step 1. Open Canva and set up your workspace. Log into your Canva account. Search for logo in the search bar and select the logo template option. Choose a blank template or a pre-designed logo template to customize. Step 2. Choose your logo style. Decide on your brand identity. Think about your brand's purpose, target audience, and style. Modern, playful, minimalist, etc. Browse Canvas templates. Use keywords like minimalist, bold, or elegant in the search bar to find templates matching your brand style. Step 3. Add text and graphics. Text. Use the text tool on the sidebar to add your brand name or tagline. Choose fonts that represent your brand. Example, sleek and modern fonts for tech, playful fonts for kids. 2. Graphics. Click on elements to search for icons, shapes, and illustrations. Combine shapes and lines to create unique designs. Step 4. Customize colors and layout. Brand colors. Click on the color palette tool to change text, background, and graphic colors. Stick to 2 to 3 main colors for consistency. Layout. Align elements using canvas grid lines and spacing tools for a balanced look. Step 5. Add finishing touches. Use the effects tools to add shadows, highlights, or 3D effects to your text or graphics. Experiment with transparency to layer elements creatively. Step 6. Export your logo. Click the share button in the top right corner. Select download. Choose PNG format for the highest quality. Check the transparent background box if you want a logo without a background. And that's everything you need to know about how to create a logo in Canva. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!